Welcome back everyone. In this video, you'll be learning how to revisit or redeploy your sound recorders. Use GPS points from deployment and additional identifying information when returning to the site. If you move to the site, mark GPS points on your GPS. In the metadata sheet, include whose GPS it is. First, take a photo close to the recorder showing the site ID before opening. This photo will document well any damage such as by animals or falling trees. Open the lid of the recorder and check if it is on. If on, note the remaining battery percentage as well as the memory card space. Write this on the metadata sheet. Check that the microphone foam is still in good shape. Otherwise, change the microphone or replace the microphone foam. First, cut the zip tie from the foam. Remove the foam from the microphone. Use your scissors and gently scrape off any residue. Make sure the microphone is clean before putting the new foam on. Twist the foam gently onto the microphone until completely covered. You may use a tool, such as the battery case, to gently press the foam into the microphone. Secure the foam at the bottom of the microphone with a zip tie. Lastly, cut off any excess zip tie pieces. Check and make sure the microphone is properly attached to the sound recorder. The icon with the microphone should appear on screen. You may watch troubleshooting for guidance. Insert 6 new batteries. Put the empty batteries in a labeled bag in plastic cases. It's easy to confuse old and new batteries at the next site, so labeling is very important. Check battery status in the top left corner of screen and write this on the metadata sheet. Take out the filled memory cards. Put filled memory cards inside a sealed labeled bag. Insert new labeled memory cards into slots 1 and 2. If the second memory card was not filled up at all, it can stay in slot 2. Note on the metadata sheet which slots were replaced and the percentage space. Check the GPS signal is locked. The satellite icon will stop blinking. This can take several minutes, especially if you are under a thick canopy or in a valley. See if the silica tube is green, and if so, replace with orange or dry insert. During the rainy season, you may add a sachet. Finally, during your revisit, make sure both latches are properly latched and the recorder is sealed. Remember to take your site photos and fill out the metadata sheet while revisiting. In each video, we will feature one of the collaborators who are involved in the Soundscape Baselines project or help with making the videos. Today, we are introducing Tatiana, who assisted in the delivery of baseline kits and is currently a PhD researcher with an emphasis on monitoring the impacts of wood harvesting on biodiversity.
Hi, my name is Tatiana, and I'm a conservation biologist and PhD researcher at the Sound Forest Lab. I found the use of forest sounds to monitor biodiversity very fascinating, and I hope the videos can help you get started with your own Soundscape project.
Questions? Contact the Sound Forest Lab.